Take a look at this. These AI anime-style videos are pulling in lakhs and even millions of views, and new creators are building massive audiences using this exact style. Most people think creating cinematic anime scenes requires expensive software or professional animation skills. It doesn't. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning AI anime short dramas using FLOVA AI and a few free tools. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll learn how to generate consistent anime characters, create emotional cinematic scenes, animate them smoothly, and use one simple editing trick that makes your videos look like high-quality anime productions. I've also included my complete prompts and all the resources in the description so you can follow along step by step. If you want to create viral AI anime videos without spending a fortune, hit like, subscribe to Serious AI Tips, and let's get started.
Hey everyone, I'm Chris. Today we're testing a powerful new FLOVA agent that's completely different from anything I've covered before. So make sure you stay until the end because the results are seriously impressive. Let's jump right into FLOVA AI. From the left sidebar, you can quickly access every tool and feature available on the platform. I also suggest checking out the FLOVA TV section. It contains a large collection of professionally created projects that you can use for inspiration. Whenever you open one of these projects, you'll not only see the finished video, but you'll also be able to explore the complete workflow behind it. It's a fantastic way to learn. You can even use these workflows as reusable skills, which I'll explain in detail later. Everything is categorized neatly, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You'll also find ready-made skills that can help you get your project started much faster whenever they match your needs. Click on Create New to begin. This is your main workspace. From here, you can manage projects, organize conversations, and keep everything in one place. I'll skip the chat setup since you're probably already familiar with that process, and I want to keep this tutorial focused. Here is the project layout I've prepared. On this side, you'll see your storyboard, where every scene in your project is organized step by step. In the middle is your media library. This stores every asset you've uploaded or generated. Selecting any asset lets you preview it instantly, and everything remains fully editable. This panel is where you'll spend most of your time interacting with the AI agent. It's where you guide your project and manage the entire workflow. At the bottom, you'll find the prompt box for communicating with the agent. Beside it are all the supported AI models, including the newest releases available on the platform. After all the prompts and describing the scenes, here is the final output of the video. But here's the feature I really wanted to show you. These are skills. You can see the custom skill I've already created here. Before we dive deeper into skills, it's worth mentioning that you can also make quick edits directly on the timeline or combine everything together before exporting your final video. So what exactly is a skill? Think of it as a way to train the AI to always follow a specific structure and creative style. Instead of repeating the same instructions over and over again, the skill remembers them for you. It's essentially like having a personal assistant that's already trained to work exactly the way you want. If you're producing a multi-episode animation series, this becomes incredibly valuable. Your character designs, environments, storytelling style, and overall visual direction remain consistent across every episode. The result is a much faster workflow, better visual consistency, and far less manual effort. Once your skill is created, the AI already understands your style, so there's no need to retrain it every single time. That means better accuracy, higher efficiency, and a much smoother production process. For my own project, I filled out every important section, including the characters, environments, visual style, and all the details required for the story. I also optimized everything specifically for Sedence using carefully designed prompts to produce the highest quality output possible. These next two examples show exactly why skills make such a big difference. Both videos use the exact same prompt. However, the version created with the custom skill looks significantly more polished, professional, and consistent. Of course, you could achieve similar quality by manually writing an extremely detailed Sedence prompt every single time. The problem is that you'd have to repeat that process for every scene and every revision. That's slow, inefficient, and increases the chances of mistakes. With a skill already prepared, all you have to do is select it and attach it to your conversation whenever you submit a new prompt. Before we wrap up, I have some exciting news. If you sign up for FLOVA using the link in the description, you'll instantly receive 200 bonus credits. As you've seen throughout this video, FLOVA brings together an impressive collection of advanced AI models inside one platform. For only $20 per month, you get access to everything needed for professional AI content creation without constantly switching between different tools. I definitely recommend giving it a try. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this walkthrough helped you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.